So with the spirits of bearishness and FUD continuing to spook us for the last 3 months, it's been really hard trying to focus on what's important and what's been happening behind the scenes in the crypto space. So in this video, we're going to talk about some extremely important bullish news that I think you've been missing on, and that's a specific list on the Ethereum DeFi ecosystem that's continuing to gain more exposure and more adoption, and how you can be a part of it. So let's get right into it. So recently, we've seen Grayscale announcing that they're launching a new diversified fund focusing on DeFi specifically. They announced the update on CNBC saying that they're launching this because of the continuous growth demand for DeFi assets, and they decided to launch a new index and a fund. Now, this fund will provide investors with exposure to a basket of altcoins with a specific weighted portfolio that's tracked by the CoinDesk DeFi index. And now, this index will track the most developed and well-established altcoins in the DeFi ecosystem. So what are those altcoins and what are their weighings, you might ask? I got you. So in ascending order, we got Uniswap at a whopping 49% of the allocation, exposing investors to the decentralized exchange sector of the space. Aave at 10.25%, representing the decentralized lending and borrowing sector, along with Compound, Curve, MakerDAO, SushiSwap at 4.83%, Synthetics at 4.43%, Yearn Finance at 3.31%, and UMA Protocol with Banker at a total of 5%. So if you wanted to research this list further, I'll leave a link in the description for you so you can check it out. But now you can see how this is a pretty well-rounded portfolio allocation centered around the most well-established tokens that will most likely be the center of attention when crypto's use case in the financial service starts to pick up. And maybe, just maybe, it could be a smart idea for you to mimic this kind of allocation if you actually want to get exposure, especially when Uniswap is down 64% from all-time highs, Aave is down 62%, Compound's down 57% from all-time highs as well, and the majority of the alts in this basket generally down a huge percentage from their all-time highs. Now, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, but it's definitely something interesting to check up on instead of those meme coins everyone's investing in. Now, for you to understand why this is extremely important, you need to understand what Grayscale is doing on the side with gaining more credibility in the banking system, and how one of the top 10 largest banks in the US is actually backing them. So in the absence of regulated investment product in the crypto Wild West, Grayscale became a go-to investing choice for a bunch of investment companies, major banks as well like Morgan Stanley, and many other institutional investors. And recently, Grayscale also partnered with the Bank of New York Mellon, which is the 9th nationally ranked bank in the United States. Now, I don't know about you, but this is massive and you 100% need to pay attention to it because this is huge for crypto holders and another big step in crypto adoption by financial institutions. BNY Mellon are becoming increasingly engaged in the industry and they're continuing to move into crypto. But that's not all. State Street as well, which is the 11th nationally ranked bank in the US, is collaborating with Gemini, which is a regulated crypto exchange offering a wallet and custodial services in the crypto space. Now, especially in these times, I know it's very hard to stay positive and have a positive outlook on crypto overall, but when they say that wealth is actually created when the market is in the red, they actually mean it. And now, especially with all the developments that are coming up for Ethereum and the Ethereum ecosystem overall, I really think that this list of altcoins in the DeFi space will play a role in the financial ecosystem, and it's just a matter of time until we actually see that happen, regardless of what's happening with Bitcoin's price. But then again, if you have a long outlook on crypto and you're interested in the blockchain technology overall, then you're definitely in the right space when you're looking at these altcoins. And again, I'll leave the links in the description for you to do more research on it. I don't want to prolong this video much. So anyways, guys, this is the daily market update filled with all the hopium you might need to survive the day. Now, if you like the video, then make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification icon to get notified of new uploads every day. And let me know if this is actually the kind of content you'd like to see in the channel overall. Now, anyways, I wish you a good day or a good night and a good life. Thank you for watching.